In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert image to Word, Excel, or text without software. The goal is simple. You will take text that is inside an image, and you will copy it out so you can paste it into Word, Excel, or a plain text document. This method uses built-in tools, so you do not need to install any additional software. First, open the snipping tool window from your taskbar. Look at the bottom of your screen for the taskbar area, then find the snipping tool icon. Click it to launch the snipping tool. If you do not see it right away, you can still make sure you are opening the correct application. The snipping tool should be the one that lets you capture on-screen content, and its window should appear on your desktop. Once the snipping tool is open, you will notice options near the top. Next, click the Text Actions button at the top of the snipping tool window. This is an important step because it is what enables text extraction. After you click it, the interface should shift into a mode that focuses on copying text from what you capture or view. Take a moment to confirm you are in the text extraction area, since this ensures the rest of the process works smoothly. Now that you are in the correct mode, you are ready to copy the extracted content. Click Copy All Text from the side menu. You will see a side menu inside the snipping tool window, and this command is designed to collect everything it has recognized as text. This step matters because it saves you from manually selecting individual lines or words. When you choose this option, the extracted text is placed into your clipboard, ready to paste. At this point, the hard part is done, and you just need to move the copied text into the program you want. Open Word or Excel on your computer. Choose whichever application matches the format you prefer. If you want a document, open Word. If you want a sheet or table layout, open Excel. Either way, make sure the document window is ready so you can paste immediately without delay. Before you paste, position your cursor where you want the text to appear. Click inside the document area once it is open. This gives the software a clear location to insert the content. You will know you are ready when you see a blinking cursor or a selected area that indicates where the text will go. Finally, paste your extracted text. Press Ctrl+V. This is the standard paste shortcut, and it inserts the text that you copied from the snipping tool. After you paste, take a quick look to confirm the formatting. Depending on how the image was structured, the text may appear as a paragraph in Word or as cells in Excel. If the text is not perfectly aligned, that is not unusual, because the image layout and the extracted layout do not always match exactly. If you are pasting into Excel and the text does not separate into the cells you expected, you can still adjust it using Excel tools later. The key point of this method is that you have successfully converted the image text into editable text without installing anything extra. You now have control over how you want it to look. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.